Q and R. 10P, Q, and R, Your Honor.
Mark them accordingly.
Thank you. So, Attorney Guevara, again, this is not part of his income, is that correct? It's an
So
expense.
far as the set is concerned, these are, at least the two items are reimbursements for expenses. The chairman or the member should have expended for his office
in relation to
his duties
as a member of
the tribunal.
So, in other words, he can't use these expenses or these allowances for his personal use. Is that correct?
Well, under the law, that should be the case.
We have nothing further, Your Honor.
No redirect, Your Honor.
No more questions from the cross
No more questions, Your Honor.
about redirect?
No redirect, Your Honor.
All right.
Mr. President,
Yes.
may we recognize Senator Pimentel.
The gentleman from Misamis Oriental.
Thank you, Mr. President. Alam niyo po, I spent 4 years of my life appearing before the SAT. So I have personal knowledge of the professionalism of Attorney Guevara. So gusto ko lang pong magpasalamat sa inyo publicly, no, na salamat po sa inyong professionalism na pinakita niyo po sa mga litigants before the tribunal. At very objective po si Attorney Guevara. Marunong makipaglaban sa katotohanan. Kaya pwede natin gawin siyang model actually when we decide this particular impeachment case before us. So salamat po, Attorney Guevara, for the professionalism which you displayed when you handled my case. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Anyone else?
One last, Mr. President, Senator Recto.
Gentleman from Batangas. Senator Recto.
Yung nabanggit niyong allowances, are they under the PS column or MOOE column?
The per dime, the monthly expense allowance per dime is under the PS.
Magkano
because we
yun?
have a budget for that. 20,000 a month po.
So that means PS for compensation for the work that you do.
Opo.
Pwede
And the
mong
others
i-take
are from-
home yun. Pwede mong i-take home yun. PS yun eh. Okay. And the others are MOE.
MOE po.
Ibig sabihin, kailangan mong gastusin
Yes.
para maliwanag.
Opo.
Thank you.
Okay. Majority Floor Leader.
We may discharge the witness, Mr. President,
The
because
distinguished lady witness is discharged.
Thank you very much.
Mr. President, if the prosecution counsel or the defense counsel would ask one more question about the allowances of members of the Senate, I will be constrained to cite them for contempt.
No more questions.
Another witness?
Yes, Your Honor. May we call on Attorney Gurley Salarda of the House of Representatives Electoral Tribunal.
The witness mentioned may now enter the chamber and take the witness stand and take an oath and testify.
May we request for 1 minute break, Your Honor, for us to fetch the witness?
That's too long. Okay, 1 minute.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Suspended. Trial. Trial resumed. Swear the witness.
Madam Witness, please stand up. Raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this impeachment proceeding? So help you God.
Attorney Bodegon.
Yes, Your Honor. With the permission of the Honorable Court, we are presenting the witness, Your Honor, to testify on her employment with the House of Representatives Electoral Tribunal, the composition and functions of the
Can
tribunal.
you just stipulate on this? These are very routine matters.
They want to conduct a lengthy cross-examination, Your Honor. We are giving them the opportunity.
All right, proceed.
No, Your Honor, we're willing to stipulate, Your Honor.
What's the pleasure of the defense? Subject to cross-examination, can you stipulate so that we can expedite the proceedings?
Yes, Your Honor. We had subpoenaed the witness to produce and testify before the court on the allowances and paradigms received by the respondent, Chief Justice Renato C. Corona, when he was part of the tribunal, both as
Of the House
member,
of Representatives.
Yes, sir. House of Representatives Electoral Tribunal, both as member and later as chairman, Your Honor.
All right, would you accept that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
So may we request the witness to present the certification that we had asked, we had her subpoenaed to produce?
Just mark the material documents that she was required to produce, subject to cross-examination.
May we request that the certification be marked as our Exhibit 170.
Mark it accordingly.
Do you confirm that the signature on that document is yours?
Yes, sir.
The prosecution, do you confirm the authenticity of those documents?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
All right. Then the authenticity of the documents is not in dispute. Mark them as exhibits.
There is an attachment to the certification, Your Honor, which is marked 170. We request that the attachments, the attachment consisting of 2 pages be marked as Exhibit 170-A and 170-B.
Mark them accordingly. Now, witness, what is the total amount of money received by the respondent based on those documents while he was a member of the House Electoral Tribunal?
May I consult my notes, Your Honor?
Yeah, proceed.
During his 21 months as member of the House of Representatives Electoral Tribunal, he received a total of 2,504,022 and 92 centavos in allowances, extraordinary miscellaneous expense, and per diem. And as chairman of the tribunal, for 5 months, he received a total of 855,784 and 93 centavos, or a total of 3,359,807 and 85 centavos, Your Honor.
That includes for personal services
Yes, Your Honor.
and for
MOOE, Your Honor.
MOOE
Yes, Your Honor.
And then, what else?
Allowances, Your Honor.
All right, allowances. Is that correct, counsel for the prosecution?
For the defense, Your Honor.
For the defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
That would be all with the witness, Your Honor, if they really...
That's all. You're not. You have no further question.
No more, Your Honor.
All right. Direct examination is closed now. Cross-examination.
Yes, just a few questions, Your Honor. Among these itemized rows in the document you presented, reimbursable expenses, extraordinary and miscellaneous expense, and per diem, which one is personal service, which one is MOOE, and which one is allowance?
The per diem is from the PS or personal service, while the additional allowances and the extraordinary miscellaneous expense are from the MOE, Your Honor.
And so a certification is necessary for the Chief Justice to claim the extraordinary and miscellaneous expense. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
No further questions, Your Honor.
No further questions? No further cross? You finish your cross-examination?
Finish, Your Honor.
All right. Any question from the members of the court?
Mr. President, because of parliamentary courtesy, there is only one question from Senator Estrada.
The gentleman from San Juan.
Thank you, Mr. President. Ano ho ang pangalan ninyo? Hindi ko nakuha eh.
Your Honor, I'm Attorney Girly I. Salarda from the HRET.
Saan ka nag-aral ng law?
From the University of Santo Tomas, Your Honor.
UST. Hindi Ateneo?
No,
Hindi
Your
Ateneo,
Honor.
UST. Okay, dun sa 2,504,022 pesos and 92 centavos na tinanggap ni Chief Justice during the span of 5 months, ito ba'y kasama nung siya chairman na ng HRET? Am I correct? Does that include his chairmanship as the chairman of the HRET?
No, Your Honor, that is only the total when he was a member of the HRET.
Okay. Ilan ba members ng HRET? Kasi sa SET, I understand there are 3 justices, 3 justices and 6 senators. Doon sa HRET, ano ba composition ng HRET?
HRET is composed of 3 justices from the Supreme Court, Your Honor, and 6 members of the House of
Only
Representatives.
6 members, and none of them in the prosecution panel are members of the HRET?
None, Your Honor.
Alright. Yung bang tinanggap ni Chief Justice during the span of 5 months, yun din ang 21 months. In 21 months, yun din ang tinatanggap ng bawat miyembro ng HRET.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ganun din. So that is not taxable.
No, Your Honor.
Alright. Thank you.
Madam Witness, what years did the Chief Justice serve in the House Electoral Tribunal?
Based on our records, Your Honor, he served as member of the House of Representatives from January 2, 2007 to February 27, 2008, and April 30, 2009 to November 5, 2009. And he served as chairperson of the tribunal from November 6, 2009 to May 16, 2010, Your Honor.
So how many years would that be?
3 years.
Actually,
Around 3 years, Your Honor.
3 years. 3 years. He started in
January 1, 2007. January 2, I'm sorry.
2007, 2008, 2009, and 2010.
10.
10.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, four actual years, but not actually 48 months. Because each year must be reflected in the end of the Chief Justice, okay? Each year.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So it will cover 4 SAL ends.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Mr. President, we may discharge the witness.
If there are no further questions from the witness is discharged.
Mr. President, I have been informed by the defense that the other witnesses will be ready by tomorrow.
All right.
So, with that, may we ask the Sergeant at Arms to make an announcement, Mr. President?
The Sergeant at Arms will now make an announcement.
Please all rise. All persons are commanded to remain in their places until the Senate President and the Senators have left the session hall.
Mr. President,
Majority Floor Leader.
there being no other business for today, I move that we adjourn until 2 o'clock in the afternoon of Thursday, March 15, 2012.
Is there any objection? There being none, the trial is hereby adjourned until 2 o'clock of Thursday, March 15, 2012.